In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily get back missing Safari browser on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the easiest way to find Safari web browser is to use search. To do that, just swipe down on your home screen to bring up search and then just search for Safari here in that way. That's how you can easily find Safari web browser, and then you can open it up and use it. However, if you cannot find it in that way, like in my case, you need to head over to settings then. After that, tap Add Screen Time. Then select Content and Privacy Restrictions. And then Allowed Apps. All you have to do now is just activate Safari by toggling on the switcher next to it. And then we need to go out of settings, and now we can use search to find the Safari. I'm just gonna swipe down, and here if we enter Safari, we can now easily find it. After that, we can just tap right here to open it up, or we can long press on it and then drag it to place somewhere at our home screen. Once it is done, hit done. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.